My name's Kelsey with Design Concepts and welcome back to What's New. In today's video, we'll be introducing a new manufacturer to our line card, VISCOR, part of the Leviton companies. VISCOR can ship anywhere within North America without the hassles of overseas manufacturing. VISCOR's experienced engineers can create new products or alter existing products for those unique challenges that you may run into on retrofit applications, which leads me to their retrofit products available. Every city has them. Buildings with dated fluorescent fixtures in odd sizes. These low performance and high energy guzzlers don't align with smart city goals. Options for non-standard ceiling grids are here with VISCOR's 4 smart LED retrofits. Option 1. Upgrade performance with a new LED tray insert and keep the existing fixture and optics. Option 2. Upgrade the LED tray insert and freshen up the optics. Option 3. A whole new look without sacrificing the mechanical integrity of the existing fixture. These 3-piece inserts include an LED tray, a new optic, and housing that will fit directly into the existing housing. And Option 4. Make it your own. A brand new made-to-order smart LED luminaire designed to your exact needs. So no 2 fixtures are the same. Here's how to start the process. Step 1. Provide DCI with a sample of the existing fixture. Step 2. We will work with you to create the unique design needed. Step 3. VISCOR will build a prototype and ship it out to you to be tested on site. VISCOR insert options are designed with an easy 1-2-3 step installation. 1. Keep the existing fixture and remove the lamps. 2. Connect the power. 3. Snap everything into place. VISCOR's approach to retrofits offer non-standard ceiling design grid options, IoT and sensor ready, energy savings, job staging and bulk packaging, 347 available and air handling options capability, increased tenant appeal and performance of the building, quick 10-day ship or less for delivery, retrofit options that will qualify for Nevada's rebate programs. Are you needing modification on your lighting fixture for your project? VISCOR and DCI is up for the challenge. Feel free to reach out to us for any customizations that you may need. And as always, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a quick thumbs up if you like these videos on our manufacturer's latest products and technologies.